Over the past few days, my clients have been asking me one question. Eric, is Abijo GRA flooded like other parts of Ibejuleki? So instead of giving answers over the phone, I decided to visit the area myself. I flew my drone, inspected the roads, visited the canals, entered one of our estates and recorded everything exactly as I found it. Of course, in my previous videos, I documented areas where flooding and blocked canals were major concerns. So today, I'm applying that same approach to Abijo GRA. So watch till the end. Let's go.
This road is actually a government project road, all right? This road is supposed to link back to the expressway. The expressway is just 1 minute away from where I am standing now. We have some buildings here that are obstructing the canal from flowing from inside. All these buildings here, this building you are seeing here, this one here is a police station, but it's not functioning again. It was shut down during the NSAS, like I said earlier. It was shut down during the NSAS. It's not working. It's blocking the canal. All those houses there, they are all blocking the canals. So government really needs to check into these areas. People are suffering here. This is Abijo GRA. Yeah, the estate is not affected. This is Glory City. It's not affected. The level of that estate is very high. Water cannot get inside there. All right, this is a school here.
I also drove through different parts of Abijo GRA. One thing became very clear. Most roads are still accessible, contrary to what many people may expect after the heavy rainfall. I also visited some of our estates we market within Abijo GRA. From what I observed, they were not affected by flood water. One example is Glory City. Interestingly, this estate is located close to the canal, yet I found no water inside the estate. Residents were still driving in and out normally. You can see small pools of water on few roads here, and this is mainly because many plots of land in Abijo GRA are still underdeveloped. Since construction hasn't started on many of these plots, some roadside gutters have become blocked by vegetation and debris. As a result, rainwater cannot flow away as quickly as it should. The good news is that these are local drainage issues, not widespread flooding across the entire community. The only significant flooding I observed was around the canal. Because the canal is not draining efficiently, water backs up into nearby areas after heavy rainfall. And this is a section that requires government attention because people's lives and property are at risk here. So, I encourage real estate investors to inspect properties personally or send a representative for those who are not in Nigeria. One flooded location should not automatically define an entire community. Likewise, one dry location doesn't guarantee that every location is flood free. Each estate and each street should be evaluated on its own. If you are considering buying land or home in Abijo GRA, I hope this video helps you to make a more informed decision. If you'd like me to inspect another estate or community after the rain, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video to your loved ones. I will see you next time on my next video.